Industrial waste management, pipeline cleaning, and pipeline rehabilitation service provider, Rescue Rod, notes that after more than 10 years of decisively shaping horizontal directional drilling practices within the company, this form of trenchless technology is widely becoming recognized worldwide as the most efficient, rapid, and cost-effective method of instituting this technology. In place of the traditional trenching and excavating methods previously requested, horizontal directional drilling permits excavation under construction sites, rivers, roads, and railway lines without disrupting the surface functions and operations in any way. Rescue Rod navigational drill operator JJ DeToy explains the benefits of using this technology while on site in Alexandra, where the company recently used a 28N Grundo drill, a navigational drill from German trenchless technology provider Trenchless, to move earth without disturbing the topsoil to fix a collapsed sewer pipe.
The benefits of horizontal drilling is there's not a lot of people involved. There's me, the operator of the drill machine that you can see behind me. There's a truck driver that's driving my machine around, and there's a guy that's mixing my mud and changing the tools and everything. So there's not a lot of people involved. If you want to drill, say, 80 meters and it's underneath a freeway or underneath buildings or stuff, you just need one pit before the buildings and one pit behind the buildings. There's a starting pit and a receiving pit.
This trenchless technology practice offers an alternative to traditional trenching or excavating. This is particularly useful where traditional methods are either not practical or simply not possible, such as in the case of Rescue Rod's Alexandra project.
We can't replace the line by digging open the line because there's walls involved and there's power lines involved, so we can't dig next to it. It's too deep, it will collapse. So we use the drill machine to drill into the manhole, onto the invert of the manhole. That's about 5 meters deep. So you can see the machine standing behind me. I'm standing about 30 meters away from the manhole where the problem is, where I'm going to start drilling. So I drill into the manhole. Once I'm into the manhole on my invert level, and I'm happy with the invert levels, I'll start drilling to the outfall line where we're going to connect this pipe. That's about 100 meters away from here, and it's underneath all the buildings. It won't be a problem drilling underneath the buildings because we're quite deep, we're 5 meters deep. So once I reach the other side where the main sewer line is, I'll put a reamer on the machine and I pull it back to open the hole that I drilled, because the hole that I drilled is only about 140 millimeter, and I'm going to install a HDPE 250 millimeter pipe. So once I start reaming the hole to the manhole where we started, I'll push the reamer back, and once I'm on the other side, I'll hook this pipe, pull it to this manhole, the whole 100 meters, and once the pipe is here by the manhole, we disconnect the rods of the drill machine. We'll pull the rods out, we'll patch the manholes on this side and on the other side, and the job is done.
And what sets the company apart from its competitors?
We're in this business for a few years. I'm doing it now for 13 years for this company, and we get into the job and we get the job done. If it's 50 meters, it's 100 meters, we get in there and we get the job done and keep the customers happy. That's why we're in this business for 14, 15 years.